Hi, my name is Krishali, and I'm super excited to welcome you to the Basic Technical Analysis course. This course is for those who dream to know the perfect prediction of market moves before it happens. It's useful to learn how to read the charts and to understand the numbers. In this course, you will learn trading view, understanding of chart types, time frame, basics of chart analysis, resistance, chart patterns, triangle, cup and handle, double top and bottom, head and shoulder, Fibonacci retracement, Elliott wave theory, 5 plus 3 equal to 8 wave theory, ABC theory, impulsive wave theory. But first of all, it is vital to know what technical analysis is. In simple words, technical analysis is the study of market action with the use of charts for forecasting future trends. We provide the basic details of technical analysis and we provide the best toolkit to become a successful trader. So what are you waiting for? Don't waste your time. Join us in the journey of fortune. Learn it, apply it, and start trading online today.